3.5 million robots are produced globally each year. How will they change our lives, our economies, our world?
The manufacturing of robots through robots presents significant challenges. We must achieve extreme precision, measuring efficiency.
We integrate innovative techniques at every stage, from holographic design and 3D printing to precision.
Yes, the calibration is perfect. We did it.
Reiterating the key points, the importance of these robot factories in advancing technology and manufacturing cannot be overstated.
So make sure you watch our next video right here and tell us what you think about these amazing robot factories in the comments below.
In this sterile environment, automation isn't just about speed, it's about achieving perfection every single time.
In today's competitive market, achieving perfection in product manufacturing is more crucial than ever.
Factories face myriad of challenges in maintaining product quality. Human error, for instance, is a
To combat these challenges, modern factories have turned to automation and advanced quality control systems.
The impact of these technologies can be seen in numerous case studies. One notable example
Striving
is for perfect products is essential in today's market, and modern advancements have made this goal more achievable than ever.
So what do you think makes a perfect product? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about manufacturing and product quality,
Synergy between human oversight and robotic precision that makes this manufacturing process truly top-notch.
Have you ever wondered how modern factories minimize errors?
In modern manufacturing, perfection is the only standard that matters. With global competition increasing daily,
the supply chain is causing critical shortages.
And our quality metrics are dropping fast.
Modern factories utilize advanced automation, like these robotic arms, for precision welding. We must always strive for perfect products. Modern advancements have made this goal more achievable than ever.
What makes a product perfect? Share your thoughts below and check out our next video.